You've probably heard a lot about cabin noise from customers recently. Sure, EV customers naturally want a quiet cabin, but it's also become popular from drivers of ICE vehicles too, especially with the proliferation of heavier vehicles like SUVs and CUVs, where the tires have a heavier load to handle. That's where your role matters, helping customers understand what actually creates tire noise and how certain designs can reduce it makes explaining a recommendation for low noise tires much easier on your counter staff. In this video, we discuss how to explain and recommend low noise tires to your customers. Tire noise starts with tread design. Larger tread blocks usually make for a quieter ride because there's less void space and fewer biting edges hitting the pavement. That's why summer and touring tires tend to sound quieter. On the other hand, tires with smaller blocks and more pitches, like winter or aggressive all-terrain patterns, have more edges contacting the road, which creates more sound. Those blocks, grooves, and channels all matter. As the tire rotates, the air moving through the tread can create a variety of noises. Engineers work hard to counter this by staggering tread pitches, varying block sizes, and using multi-pitch patterns that break up repetitive noise. There's also innovation happening inside the tire itself. For example, Continental Tire features tires that have Conti-silent foam liners to dampen noise inside the tire. Technologies like this help reduce interior sound levels, especially on EVs where tire noise is more exposed. But even the quietest tire can only do so much. Road surface, weather, and pavement texture play a big part. A quiet tire on smooth asphalt may sound completely different on coarse concrete or grooved surfaces. This is why recommending low noise tires is really about setting the right expectations. Remind your customers that a tire design is always a balance. Maintenance plays a huge role too. Misalignment causes irregular wear that increases noise. Rotations keep wear patterns even, and maintaining the correct inflation pressure helps keep the tire performing and sounding the way it was designed. That means it's important for you to communicate the importance of tire maintenance to customers, especially if they want features like noise dampening technology to last the life of their tires. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.